Hey, good evening. So today's Thursday, the 3rd. It's my second day doing the Blender tutorial. Getting to learn the software a bit more. So I decided to look at another YouTuber called Ducky 3D to help me speed up. So I started to do this little tutorial that he done called Create an Easy Sci-Fi Environment for Beginners. I'll put the link in below if you want to try out that tutorial and follow along the process. It's quite cool and you get a nice render at the end. Let's get started. So as I got to this part here with the shader graph, I got a little bit stuck, and what I was missing was the Wrangler node, which you have to turn on when you go to edit preferences and then you turn on the add-ons and Wrangler node. So I struggled for a little bit here, and then I realized what I missed. I had to go back and do that. Once it was done, it's fine. I did at this point, instead of copying the tutorial fully, I decided to go with the Sketchfab model and have that as the centerpiece in the scene. So I decided to get a spaceship, drop it in. I'll put the link below to the creator of the model. Sketchfab is really cool, you know, you get assets from it. They do have a lot of free items. Okay, so we're close to the end now. I started to render it off. I figured out how to turn the denoise on, and I've done a couple of render shots, fast forwarded a bit. But yeah, we got a nice result out of it. I tried different effects and on there and different lighting. But anyway, if you can hit that subscribe button, again, that will help me out. This is day 2. Bye bye.